Hey, welcome to another video where we're going to cover another question that is used and asked mostly in an interview. And this question here is is a palindrome, is about palindrome, and you can say first you need to understand what a palindrome is, and a palindrome is a number which when reversed is going to be the same as the number when it's not reversed. I mean, when you reverse the number, it's going to the number is going to feature as the same as the original number. So given a string, return true if the string is a palindrome, or false if it's not a palindrome. Palindromes, as I have just said, are words that form the same word if it is reversed. So if you reverse a word, for example, if you reverse a word madam, and you call that word, the same word is going to have the same, is going to be a palindrome. Why? Because madam, when you reverse madam, you're going to have a madam. But now, when you reverse this word, which is did you know? Did you know? So if you reverse did you know, is not a palindrome. Why? Because when you reverse this word, is not going to give the same meaning as when it's not reversed. So with that said, let us look into this function that is going to be palindrome. Palindrome. And the palindrome is going to contain a string. Okay. This word is going to contain a string. So how will we go about it? So let reversed is equals to string, the string that we just called. Then first we need first to change the we need to change the string into an array so that we can be able to reverse it, and we're going to use the split method to allow us split. We're going to use the split to allow the reverse method, which is an enabled function. So we're going to reverse, then we're going to have a JSON. Join. You're going to join the word. I don't know where I got the JSON from. Then we're going to join this word. After the string, we're going to join the word. So what we need here is we need to reverse this. We need to reverse this statement in a. We need to reverse it in a single statement, and then we're going to return. We're going to return this string is equals to reversed. So reversed. So this one is going to return. Is going to return this string, and the string is going to be reversed. So if we try to console this palindrome here, let us see what we're going to have. We're going to have it's going to return a boolean statement, that is it true or false? So if it's a palindrome, it's going to return a true statement, and if it's not, it's going to return a false statement. So what do you have here? For instance, let me see. Let me try to run this. And okay, Okay, I think no, I need to reverse. Okay, I need to call this, I need to console this palindrome. No, console log, console.log, dot log palindrome. Okay, so when we reverse this, when we call this statement, what are we going to have? We're going to have a true. This is a palindrome. So you can see after we reversed that word kayak, we're going to have the same meaning as when the word is not reversed. So you can say this is how you have it. And we're going to have console.log palindrome madam. Let us try and console this madam string and see what we're going to have here. So these statements are true, but now if we try another word which is not a palindrome, what are we going to have as a return? We're going to have let us console this console.log and see what we have here. Is it a palindrome or not? So you can see the string, the return. We have returned a false statement. So this statement is not a palindrome. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to cover our different question that we need to understand.